A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
Hi children, good morning to all. How are you children? Children, how are you? Nice. I hope that you are all doing well. Children, are you listening digital lessons every day? Okay, good. Don't miss the digital lessons. You must watch and listen every day. Okay, children? Now it is a time for rhyme. Okay? You children first open the textbook page number 12. Okay. You see that picture here also. Now I am showing that picture here. All of you look at the picture children. What do you see in the picture? Say children, what do you see in the picture? Nice. Birds are there. Okay, next, what are there in the picture? Birds, monkeys. Next, what do you see in the picture, children? Come on, say what are there in left side? Come on, say children. Yes, peacocks. Next, children. Oh, long trunk, tusks. What do you call that animals? Yes. What are they? Elephants. What do you see next in the picture? Trees. How many trees are there, children? Good. How many trees are there? One, two. Left side you see one tree. Right side you see one tree. Total there are two trees are there. Trees. What do you see next? Frogs. How many frogs are there you see in the picture? Yeah, two frogs are there. Two birds are there. Two monkeys are there. Two elephants are there. Two peacocks are also there in the picture. Okay, children? Nice. Now I will sing this rhyme. Okay? Now I will sing this rhyme. You also sing with me and dance like me. Okay, children? You sing with me and dance. Enjoy the rhyme, children. I will play the rhyme.
The monkeys are jumping just like this, just like this. The peacocks are dancing just like this, just like this. The elephants are stomping just like this, just like this. The monkeys are jumping just like this, just like this. The peacocks are dancing just like this, just like this. The elephants are stamping just like this, just like this.
Children, how is this rhyme? Did you sing with me? Children, did you sing with me? Yes. Did you play? Did you play with this rhyme? Okay, I think that you enjoyed so much with this rhyme. You enjoyed so much with this rhyme. The monkeys are jumping just like this, just like this. How is it? What are there next? The peacocks are dancing just like this, just like this. Children, there are some more animals are also there in the picture. You see, birds are there. Now you have to add some more lines for this rhyme. Okay, children, you have to add some more lines for this rhyme. Okay, can you add? Will you add this rhyme? Will you add the lines for this? I will give you some hints. Okay, birds. Here, what the birds are doing? Say, children, what the birds are doing? Flying. Yes, come on. Now you sing. Now you add a line with using these words, birds flying. Can I sing? Okay. The birds are flying just like this, just like this. The birds are flying just like this, just like this. Okay. Next, what are there in the picture? Frogs. What are there in the picture? Frogs. Come on, you say, children, what frogs do? What will the frogs do? How will they do? Yes, hopping. Now using these two words. Come on, say, children. The frogs are hopping. The frogs are hopping. Just like this, just like this. The frogs are hopping. Just like this, just like this. Like this, children, you add some more lines. Like this, you will add some more lines for this rhyme. Okay? You also sing. You also sing very well like me. Okay. Now I will give you some more hints, some more examples for you. Children. What the children do? Come on, say, children. What the children do? What do you? You are also children. What you will do? Yes, nice. Playing, reading, writing, crying. Now we can add 4 lines at a time to the rhyme. We can add 4 lines using these words to the rhyme. Okay, children, shall we sing this? Okay. Children are playing just like this, just like this. All of you, stand, children. Sing with me and play and dance with me. Okay, children? Children are playing just like this, just like this. Children are reading just like this, just like this. Children are like this, just like this. Children are writing just like this, just like this. Children are crying just like this, just like this. What are the children doing? The children are crying just like this, just like this. Okay, children? How are these rhymes? How are these lines? Okay, good. Next, who am I? I am a teacher. Can you sing with the word teacher? What is the next word? Teacher. What is the teacher work? What is the teacher does? Teaching. Now what I am doing? I am teaching. Now you see, teachers are teaching. Teachers are teaching. Just like this, just like this. Teachers are teaching. Just like this, just like this. Next, fisherman. What will the fisherman do? What will the fisherman do? Have you ever seen the fishes, children? How the fishes? Oh, good. Fishermen, what will they do? They fishing the fishes. They fishing the fishes. Fishing. Yes, now using these two lines. The fishermen are fishing. The fishermen are fishing just like this, just like this. The fishermen are fishing just like this, just like this. Is it right, children? Sing with me again. The fishermen are fishing just like this, just like this. Okay? Next, aeroplanes. Have you ever seen the aeroplanes in the sky? Where do you see the aeroplanes? They are in the sky. They go in the sky. They run in the sky. Aeroplanes. What the aeroplanes do? Flying. Okay, now using these two words, aeroplanes, flying. The aeroplanes are flying. The aeroplanes are flying. Just like this, just like this. The aeroplanes are flying. Just like this, just like this. Okay? Next, I will give you one more example. One more word. Boys. Boys. I am giving you action word eating. Okay? Now you sing, children. Come on, sing, children. The boys are eating just like this, just like this. The boys are eating just like this, just like this. Next, girls. What the girls doing? Watching. What they are watching? They are watching TV. They are watching TV. The girls are watching. Just like this, just like this. The girls are watching. Just like this, just like this. Next, trees. How are the trees? The trees are in green in color. The trees are green in color. Do you like trees? Okay, the trees are very useful to us. The trees are very useful to us. What the trees do? The trees moving. How? Moving. Yes, the trees are moving just like this, just like this. The trees are moving just like this, just like this. Next, horses. Oh, horses running very fastly. Is it, children? Running. Come on, sing, children, with me. The horses are running just like this, just like this. The horses are running just like this, just like this. Okay, children. Next, cookers. What the cookers do? Cooking. Hey, cookers make midday meals in our schools. Cookers make midday meals in our schools. Now you sing, children. Cookers are cooking just like this, just like this. Is it, children? Cookers are cooking just like this, just like this. Okay, children. Like this, you can add some more lines and you can sing. Okay, children. Have you like this? Say, children, do you like this, children? Yes, nice, very nice. Okay, children, you sing this rhyme and play at your home. Okay, your parents will look you and they will be very happy. Your parents will be very happy. Okay, children? My dear children, do you like stories? Children, do you like stories? Nice. Stories are very interesting. Stories are very interesting. Children, who will tell you stories at your home? Okay. Who will tell you stories at the bedtime? Okay, generally we listen the stories at bedtime. Who will tell you story at your home? Grandparents, grandfather, grandmother, or father or mother parents. Who will tell you? Okay, nice. Grandfather, grandmother tells stories very nicely, very well. Okay, children, which types of stories you like more? Which type stories you like more, children? Animal stories, other stories, children's stories, cartoons. Which stories you like more, children? Beautiful, good. Animal stories. Children likes animal stories more. Okay, children likes animal stories more. Okay, children. Now I will tell you a wonderful, beautiful story for you. I will tell you a beautiful story for you. Now, all of you open the textbook, page number 13. Okay, I will show you the picture here also. Children, all of you look at the picture. Okay, how many parts are there in the picture? How many parts are there in the picture? One, two, three, four. Four parts are there in the picture. Children, all of you look the picture carefully. All of you look at the picture carefully. Observe the picture. What is there in the first picture? What is that animal? Yes, it is a mouse. It is a mouse. It is a mouse. What do you see in the next picture? What do you see in the second picture? Yes, there is a tail. What is there? There is a tail. Next, what do you find? In the last picture you see, children, what is there? Oh, it is a snake. What is that? It is a snake. It is a snake. What are there in the picture, children? You look. Trees are there. What are there? Some trees also there in the picture. Okay. This story is about mouse and a snake. This story is about a mouse and a snake. A mouse and a snake. Okay, children. Here you see, children, what is the mouse doing? What is the mouse doing? Yes, the mouse is looking at the tail. The mouse is looking at the tail. What is the mouse next doing? Oh, it is pulling the tail. It is pulling the tail. Why it is pulling the tail? Oh, it thinks that it might be it's a friend's tail. It might be a friend's tail. It will be a fun. The mouse thinks that it will be a fun. Okay. Did you understand this story, children? Did you understand this story? What is there going? Okay. Now I will tell you this story. Listen carefully. There is a beautiful garden. There is a beautiful garden. A mouse is going in the garden. A mouse is going in the garden. Suddenly, the mouse see a tail. Suddenly, the mouse see a tail in the garden. It think that it is a friend's tail. It think that it is my friend's tail. And then it started pulling the tail. The mouse started pulling the tail. The mouse is pulling the tail. It is not coming. It grow. The tail is grow. The tail is very long. The mouse is pulling and pulling again and again, again and again. The mouse is pulling the tail again and again. It is a long tail. After some time, what is the mouse doing, children? The mouse is pulling the tail. After some time, the total tear came. The mouse see what came? What is it? It is a snake. It is a snake. The mouse afraid. The mouse scared snake. Oh, what is this? Oh, it is a snake. It was very afraid. Oh my God, it is a snake. The mouse said, oh my God, it is a snake. The mouse, when the mouse looked the snake, when the mouse looked the snake, the mouse afraid and it ran away. The mouse ran away. Okay, children. It is the story of a mouse and a snake. Have you ever seen the snake, children? Have you ever seen the snake? Okay, children, be careful with the snakes. Okay, be careful with the snakes. Snakes will bite you. If you touch the snakes will bite you. Okay, don't go to the snakes. Don't harm to the snakes also. Don't make harm to the snakes. Okay, children. You say this story to your parents and grandparents. Okay, bye children. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
The monkeys are jumping just like this, just like this. The peacocks are dancing just like this, just like this. The elephants are stamping just like this, just like this. The monkeys are jumping just like this, just like this. The peacocks are dancing just like this, just like this. The elephants are stamping just like this, just like this.